That tree is the biggest tree ever. This is a cedar.
No, I think it's one of the cypress.
Oh, it's a cypress because we're in a cypress garden. We're sailing our canoe, paddling our canoe on the Roanoke River.
Sort of.
Look at that little bird over there, that little finch. See her? Beautiful.
This is where the platform.
We went platform camping.
The thing's behind me.
I know.
Looking back here.
It's okay. We're taking you to our leader.
I mean, we got out here on our own. That's when we should have the camera. Look, we made it in the dark. We're ballers.
We're taking you to our leader. Excuse me. We have a video when we were coming in. Check for the link in the description. Drew was like, quit taking video and start paddling. As you can see, here are our peeps. They have cooked us breakfast at like 3 o'clock. Dana's taking a bath. See the magic elf in the water? That's Dana. Thumbs up for Dana, y'all. Here we come, a paddling among the leaves so green. Here we come, a paddling. Look at this sculpture. See this horse sculpture? This is a horse. It's an amazing horse sculpture. Done all by Mother Nature herself. Just for us. To mark our campground. Thumbs up for the horse sculpture. And like and subscribe to see more horse sculptures. Actually, I don't know if I can ever find another horse sculpture like that. Hello!
Are you on the platform? Yeah.
So the platform is gone. The water's too high.
Went for a swim. How's it feel?
Look at that knobby tree. So Dana is actually standing on the platform. You just cannot see it. It's so cold. Oh.
Yeah, me too.
See, we're at number 1, camp number 1.
God, this water's got to be 5 feet high.
Mm.
Higher deep. High. I mean, higher than it should be. Oh, really? Yeah, because we're 2 feet above this dock, and there's 5 feet of water on the other side. Oh, I'm sure when there's no water, you got to park out here and walk in.
Where's the platform? There's the platform. Can you see the platform? Right here. We lost 3 lures in about 20 minutes. Ugh. We even found a lure and used it and lost it as the first test.
Left it in the tree.
We spent most of our time retrieving lures that we didn't even get. Yeah, so as you can see, we are on the platform right now. There's the platform. We're actually just
sort of separating here, sort of slowly organizing things.
on the platform. Last night when we got here, the platform was completely covered up to the top one. So the water's
Gone down at least a foot.
going down some. Bam. Thank you for riding with us. Please like our videos and subscribe.